What will happen next in the Iran-Israel war? The situation is getting more dangerous every day. The war started with major strikes by the US and Israel on Iran. Iran responded with missile and drone attacks across the region. Israel says the war could continue for weeks. Airstrikes, missile attacks, and defense systems like that will keep working day and night. This means more missile interceptions like shown in this image. Bigger regional war. More countries may join the war. Groups like Houthis have already started attacking Israel. This could turn into a full Middle East war. Negotiation and ceasefire. Some leaders say the war could end in weeks if diplomacy works. Talks are still happening behind the scenes. Key risk very important. The biggest danger is escalation. If attacks increase, oil routes like the Strait of Hormuz could stay blocked, affecting the world economy. What is happening in Iran-Israel war? Simple. Iran launches ballistic missiles and drones toward Israel. Israel, with US support, uses multi-layer defense systems. Systems include radar detect, command center calculate, interceptors like that destroy missile. This type of warfare is called missile versus missile war. Detection phase. Radar in TPY-2 detects missile launch from Iran. It tracks speed, direction, and target. This is shown in your image as search, track, acquire, command and control. Data goes to command center. System calculates where missile will land, when to intercept, missile flight phases, ascent phase, missile launches from Iran, goes up into the sky, mid-phase, travels in space long distance, terminal phase, comes down toward target Israel. Interception main part. That interceptor is launched. It tracks enemy missile, hits it directly in air, uses hit to kill technology. Happens in terminal phase shown in your image. Iran has launched hundreds of missiles toward Israel. Israel tries to intercept most of them, but some missiles still hit targets. Linked to your image. This image shows exactly how modern war works. Missiles launched, tracked, and destroyed in the sky. It's a battle between attack and defense technology. The next few days are critical. Will it become a bigger war or move toward peace? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching.